Hi guys, I'm Inayat and you're watching my YouTube channel Fun and Learn with Inayat. Today I'm going to play a very famous nursery rhyme called Johny Johny, Yes Papa. Before I share the tutorials and notes with you, I will play the full poem for you. Let's start Johny Johny, Yes Papa. Johny Johny, yes Papa, eating sugar, no Papa, telling lies, no Papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. So guys, let's start step by step. So the first line is Johny Johny, yes Papa. So it will be played as C C G G A G. Johny Johny, yes Papa. Now next line is eating sugar, no Papa. So it will be played as F F E E D D C. Eating sugar, no Papa. Now next line is telling lies, no Papa. It will be played as G G F F E E D. Telling lies, no Papa. And the last line is open your mouth, ha ha ha, which will be played as G G G F E D C. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Now let's do the complete rhyme once again. Johny Johny, yes Papa, eating sugar, no Papa, telling lies, no Papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. This was the rhyme Johny Johny, yes Papa, with step-by-step guide and notes. Hope you like my video. Click the like button, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See ya!